Hi guys, just wanted to show you exactly how to um, open this up and show it the way that it would normally be for you guys. So when you open it up, if it's looking a little small, go to View, scroll down to the word Zoom, and go to 100%. And then it will zoom up a little bit. You're going to have to scroll up and down, but then you'll be able to go ahead and see the words a little better. So when you come to this page, you're going to click inside here. You can double click right there and delete those words and type your name. After you get your name typed, you're going to come down here and, of course, read the directions. A rectangle has a length of 4 centimeters. Remember, the length is how long a rectangle has a length of 4 centimeters and a width of 3 centimeters. Okay, so this rectangle is 4 by 3. What is the area? Fill in the rectangle with 1 centimeter squares. There are 4 squares in a row and 3 rows. So we see 1, 2, 3, 4 squares here with 3 squares in each row. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4 rows, 3 squares inside each row. You can multiply to find the total area of squares using the method 4 times 3 equals 12. Okay, so 4 groups of 3. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 groups of 3. Okay, now down here, it says, what is the area of this rectangle? Write a number sentence. When you see these little number boxes here, that means that's where you're going to write in your number. So it says, what is the area of this rectangle? Write a number in the number sentence. The length of our rectangle is 7. The width of our rectangle, I'm going to move this down by using my enter button, is 6. Now that means my problem is 7 times 6. Okay, now if you're confused about how to do the problem 7 times 6, remember you could build an array, okay, with a box with 7 squares going down with 6 units in each row of squares of 7, right? So 6 squares inside 7 different rows, okay, and that would help you, or 7 different columns, and that would help you to solve that problem by building an array, a 7 by 6 array. Okay, now we know that 7, and I can delete this little number line or this little number space like that. 7 times 6 is 42, so I'm going to write that in. And then there's my answer. A rectangle has a length of 8 inches and a width of 7. What is the area of this rectangle? Okay, so it has a length of 8 and a width of 7. So I'm going to need to click in here, backspace, and I'm going to write my number sentence. 7 times 8 equals. Now remember, when I'm trying to figure this out, I can figure it out in a couple of different ways. I can draw an array, but 7 by 8. I can draw 7 groups of 8. Okay, lots of different ways to solve that problem. Okay, so we're just going to go a little quickly in this one, and 7 times 8 we know is 56. So I'm going to write that down. So the area of this rectangle is 56 square inches. Okay, that's how I type in there. Now I want you guys to make sure that you are using a paper and a pencil when you are solving these problems. Okay, you're just typing your answers in here. A square has sides that are 4 centimeters long. What is the area of this square? Now I know that if it's a square and its sides are all 4 centimeters long, what's it going to look like? If I was to draw, let's see here if I can insert a shape. If I was to draw a square over here, and I made this square, let's see, how can I do this? I made this square have sides of 4. Okay, there's 4. My other side, it says that the sides are all 4, so I'm going to write these 4s up here. If I can get my scribble marker. There we go. So 4 by 4. Now I know that that would be, in my multiplication sentence here, 4 times 4. 4 times 4 equals 16 square units. I'm sorry, square centimeters, because these are centimeters. Okay, and then you are done. The next thing I want you to do is click share, and this is going to share this document with me. I think you might need to type in. So let's type in my name. If it comes up like that, type in my name, Faith Milton, and it should be shared with me. And there you go. Hope that helps.